to my channel. Today's video is quite exciting. If you haven't seen my last video, then me and my boyfriend went to London and we bought something in London, as you can probably already see from the thumbnail, which I love. Is massive. It is a bag from Louis Vuitton. Bit of a spur of the moment thing. We literally got it a few hours before we had to get our train home. I love it. I think I'm gonna send it back and swap it for something else. That doesn't mean I don't love it, because I do. It's like my favourite colours, everything. It's gorgeous, but now I look at it and I think it's actually like, I don't know how practical it is for me personally, because I like to put lots of things in a bag and they're quite small. So that's the reason behind me returning it. But anyway, I'll show you now. Obviously, you know, it comes in the box. Just stunning. This is my first ever thing from Louis Vuitton. And I never thought I would ever get anything like this in my life, to be honest. Just a little disclaimer, I'm not trying to brag about anything. I just want to show you guys what I got because I love it and I did buy it for myself. I'm very fortunate for that and grateful, but as I said, I'm gonna return it and trade it in for something else, probably something cheaper. Let's just get straight into the video. So also, I do look different from the thumbnail because I took that before I opened it, because obviously I wanted to get a nice photo with all the ribbon on and everything, and obviously right now it doesn't have the ribbon on anymore because I've looked in it once, so that's just why I look different, because I took that a few days ago. So I have opened it, but since then I haven't seen it. It's, oh, I love it. Like even the packaging and everything, like even just the little dust bag, it's just stunning. I love it. So here it's the bag. And then you can lift this one, and there's a bigger version. So it is just these two. Oh, they are stunning. Like nude and gold is my absolute favourite colour combination for bags. I just think it's stunning. So if I just get it up on my phone what it's called, because I can't quite remember what the name of it. So it is the multi-pochette accessories bag. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. I got mine in the cream colour and it's in the monogram, I don't even know how you say that. Look at that, I'm not going to pronounce it. Monogram something leather. So you can detach both bags. So technically it's 2 in 1. If I get out the chains and then I can show you them. So in the little bag, you just get a little bag like this. Just open it up and you get the smaller, I love this chain, gold and nude chain. So that is it on the smaller one. And then obviously you can wear it like this if you want to. So have it as 2 bags and 1 chain. Or in the bigger bag is another little dust bag with another strap. And then she obviously attached it to the bigger bag like so. So you have this one. Anyway, yeah, so it's attached to the bigger bag. In the photo online, the chain is dangling down like this, so you wear it like this. But anyway, I think it is stunning. It's so pretty. I can detach them and show you what it looks like when they are not together. So then this is the bigger bag on its own. So pretty. Even all the stitching on it is just so nice and everything. It's just, the detail is incredible and the strap is so thick and good quality. Gold is such a pretty gold colour. And then this is the little one. Again, the stitching, the gold, even the tag on the front, oh, just stunning. So there's a size comparison for them. As you can see, one is slightly larger than the other. But anyway, as I was saying at the start, I'm just not sure how practical they're going to be, because I've got quite a big purse, and I mean, I know they're more of a statement bag than actually practical and putting things in and going out, but I do like to actually use my bags, you know, like especially for the price that they are. I want to be able to use them properly. So like, I don't even know if my phone would fit in the smaller one. So that is the reason why I'm going to return them. However, I do love them and they are absolutely stunning. But yeah, I think the inside of them is suede and they feel so lovely. I can show you the inside. You guys can see it's just like a nudie colour again. Just says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain inside. Like even the detail on the top is all just kind of looks like a I don't know how to describe it. I don't know if you guys can see up close. If I focus it on the bag, there you go, you can see the texture of it now. But yeah, that's like the texture of it, I guess. Real leather, good quality, you can smell the leather. Even goes on the underneath of the bag as well, like all here is the print. I do love it. However, I went in there for the original classic monogram print, like the brown one, but they didn't have any, so like any big bags anyway, which is what I did ideally want to get. But yeah, I just think I would benefit more from getting a bigger bag or a purse, because I know I would use it every day, or you know, I can put more in the bigger bag. So that's the reason, even though they are lovely and I've got shoulder bags. So anyway, they are the bags. They are beautiful. Reference on my shoulder. So that's the first one, and just ignore, yes I am wearing joggers, but you guys don't usually see that. So that's the first one, and then the second one. I definitely prefer this strap. As I keep saying, golden nude is just my favourite. This strap you can adjust. So this is currently on the shortest adjustment, but obviously you can make it really, really, really long, like maybe like down here, but I just prefer it shorter. If I was to wear this one with it, then obviously it hangs down and just looks pretty, and it doesn't get too much, like I don't want it dangling down like by my legs. They are the bags that bags, whatever you want to call it. I thought I would show you. The lady in Louis Vuitton was so lovely. Yeah, as I said, I don't want to brag, I don't want to boast about it. I just thought I'd show you because, as you would have seen in the London vlog, I got there and I thought I would just do a little video showing you what I got. Be sure to subscribe, like and comment down below, and I'll see you next time for a brand new video. Bye!